Clubhouse is great, but the real benefits happen when you get on stage. So I'll share my tips for getting on a Clubhouse stage, and I'll share my secrets for how you can use that opportunity to grow your influence, audience, and business. And at the end of the video, I'll share the most common mistakes that people make on Clubhouse so you don't have to make them too. First things first, in order to get on stage, you have to start with the smaller rooms, but not just any smaller rooms. The first thing that I do when I'm identifying a room that I want to go into is I start with the hallway. When I go to the hallway, I look at the topics. Is it a topic that you want to contribute to? If not, don't go in the room. The next thing you want to do is look at the size. The size of the audience should be between 20 and 100. You can see that before you even go into the room. At the bottom, it will show you the number of people that are in the room and the number of people that are on stage. The third thing is you want to look at the audience to speaker and moderator ratio. If there are a ton of moderators and speakers on stage, trust me, it's going to be really hard for you to get up there and contribute something. Now, once it's passed your test, you are ready to enter the room. And when you're in the room, I caution you to please read the room. I like to spend about 15 to 20 minutes in the room so I can get a feel for what the style is and what the format is of that room. Are they doing a Q&A? Are they doing a recording for a podcast? Are they inviting people on stage to even ask any type of questions? You can usually determine this after you stay in the room for about 15 to 20 minutes, or you can stick around for the first room reset. So what in the world is a room reset? Well, this is when you find out why the topic is important, why the moderators are qualified to talk about it. You'll find out about the club that you're in, and they'll probably ask you to ping some people into the room, which simply means just invite more people in so that the room can grow. Just like the real world, you need to work your way up. So don't go for the huge rooms at first. After you've read the room and you've determined that this is a great room for you to contribute to, then the next goal is to raise your hand so that you can move from the audience to the stage. When you get to the stage, congratulations, you are now a speaker. But it doesn't stop there. Now you have a real chance to be able to add maximum value. If this is your area of expertise, then there are 4 ways to position yourself as a subject matter expert. Number 1, put some thought into a great question that will expand the conversation. Number 2, ask if you can share a tip. Number 3, give your best advice without pitching. More on that later. Number 4, don't be afraid to shoot your shot. Offer to stick around on stage. The way I do it is I'll say, hey, I have some time and I can stick around on stage to answer questions if you want. Bonus tip, make sure that your bio showcases your expertise as well. I have a whole video about that. Just check it out at the link below. Those are best practices, but they're not guaranteed. Here are a few more ways to increase your chances of being pulled up on stage. Community and connections are key on Clubhouse. Build rapport with moderators in larger rooms. Follow them. Turn on the notifications button so that when they start a room, you could be the first to show up. The more you show up and add value, the more likely the moderators will see you and pull you up on stage when you step into a room. If you want to take it a step further, don't be afraid to reach out to the moderators. The way that I like to do this is I'll hop in their DM on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll just send them a quick video or voice note telling them what I loved about their room so that I can create that connection. As promised, here are the common mistakes that people make when it comes to Clubhouse, so you don't have to make them too. Number 1, don't pitch on stage. It will lower the chances of people ever inviting you up again. And while you're at it, please don't tell your life story when you get pulled up on stage. Trust me, if they want to know, they'll ask. What I do suggest is keep your intro short and concise and get straight into your question. If you're asked for more info, you can offer it, but please ask first before sharing any resources if it's not your room. The next mistake I see is people just hopping in the room and raising their hand before they read the room. Now, I gave you everything that you need to know to read the room, so don't make that mistake. The next common mistake that I see a lot of new people making is forgetting that their mic is hot when they get pulled up on stage. So when you get to the stage, make sure you hit that mute button at the bottom of your screen. The last mistake that I want to make sure that you avoid is not having a completed bio. When moderators are looking for people to pull up on stage, they're looking at your bio first. Make sure that you optimize your bio and that it's connected to your other social media so people can easily connect with you. In this video, I break down step by step how you can have a winning bio on Clubhouse. Or here's another video that I think that you might like. Either way, I'll see you in the next one.